God, I'm tired. I don't know how much more I can carry. My soul feels heavy. You know, every tears. You come close for my strength break. I try to be strong, but I'm failing again. I'm sleeping through the grave, but I have always been. Yet in the shame, yet in the silence, I feel your name. You hold my heart and calm my fear. You never leave me in my pain. You whisper peace into my shame. When I have nothing left to you again, remind me how to live. There's power in your name, power in your name. Even when I'm weak and worn, even when my heart is torn, Kulvari take her all, every knee will bow. When I call your name, the darkness shakes and light remains. When I call your name, your merciful light gentle rain. I'm on my knees, but not in vain. You hear me when I call your name. When I call your name, Yeshua, Yeshua. Lord, I'm weak, but you are strong. When I have no words, you hear my song. You hold my hand when I cannot stand. You are my breath, my life, my strength. Every mountain that I face, B'Shem Yeshua, in the name